It's not about the size, it's about the party. Evite Tiny Party Challenge 2018 returns with 4 popular influencers in a head-to-head competition to see who can plan and throw the best birthday party with a tiny budget and even tinier space. Our contestants are surprising a special lady in their life with a birthday party just for her. Meet contestants Dennis and Andrew from the Crafty Lumberjacks.
Hello, I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew, and we are the Crafty Lumberjacks.
We are DIY bloggers. We also work for HGTV Handmade and create digital content for them. And today we're throwing a tiny birthday party for Andrew's sister, Jen.
Hey!
Hi!
We decided to throw the tiny party for Jen because she is one of the hardest working moms out there.
Yeah, you're constantly giving to your family, so today we're gonna give to you.
See you in 4 hours. Bye.
Each contestant will have $500 and 4 hours to decorate their space. Meanwhile, in another room, their guests will be watching their party come to life and will have the opportunity to either help or hinder the party in new and unexpected ways.
So our strategy really is we're tackling the wall first. That's our biggest focal piece.
Start with the wall and then go to the small.
Right now, we're using inexpensive wrapping paper to create a photo backdrop wall. It's gonna be geometric shapes, patterns, all over our entire space.
Very 80s. Woo! If you're worried about throwing a party, we say don't be. Even if you have a small space and a small budget, you can create something really big and bold.
We wanted to start with the walls because we knew it was gonna take the majority of our time, so we wanted to kind of get that out of the way and then create everything else.
Let's meet our guest Jen, Andrew's sister.
It looks good. It definitely is a throwback. It's a throwback to, I don't know, Saved by the Bell?
It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell.
So it's really tricky to cut out circles, so what we did was we took a tabletop and we're using that as a guide.
A lot of people get worried about putting things on their walls, but use your own judgment. You know your house, you know your space. We use a lot of putty and double-sided tape on our walls. 1 hour done. We still have a lot to do.
Yeah.
But we're trucking along. Just gotta make it happen.
New to Tiny Party this year, each guest will randomly pull a card from the Help or Hinder deck.
We're making good progress. Yeah. Once we finish the walls, we just have to get all the furniture, everything else in here, but we can do it.
Yeah, and we're about at the halfway mark, and I'm really looking forward to the Help card, just because
we need it.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's something like an extra person comes and helps.
The Crafty Lumberjacks lucked out. Jen did pull the Help card.
Yes!
What does it say?
It says,
Guest helps out for 15 minutes.
Yes!
Ooh, ooh.
Hey!
There she is, looking totally rad.
So my strengths, I think, to help them is really just to help them finish this wall, cut and tape.
okay, what do you want me to do?
We have a little casualty right over there.
Where?
I
Why
know.
would you film that?
Okay, so you have a minute with you left.
Stuff the pillows, stuff the pillows.
I don't know if I really helped that much. I just tried to clean up. I first started to try to cut and to tape, but they have a vision and they were very specific about that vision.
It felt good having Jen here.
Yeah, it was super fun.
Just for moral support. She likes the direction we're going, so that makes us feel good.
Let's have a pillow fight.
Let's work.
Okay.
So we thought it would be fun if we put together a little scrapbook for Jen and for our guests that come to our tiny party. We're gonna provide a scrapbook with a few markers, stickers, and use our instant camera to take pictures using our photo backdrop and put the pictures right into the scrapbook. We're about an hour out. Jen's feed is about to be cut. She's in the other room. Some parting words.
We love you, and
We hope you like your party.
Peace out, dude.
Is there more work than this? I can't even begin to imagine what else they would do. So if this were my party, it'd be done.
So when we host parties, we always like to have activities. We decided to do a whole build your own dessert table. We have popcorn here. We use dollar store bags, and then we just added some color with a little bit of spray paint. You can add your own sweet or salty kind of spice to your popcorn.
A punch here, and you can add your own sorbet floater on top. Totally tiny tarts. A quick hack is if you are running out of time or you're not a baker like me, you can use pre-made pie crust, and most pre-made pie crusts are accidentally vegan. So we have a lot to do, and I feel like this is always the thing, like you're always kind of chasing the clock before your guests come, and then you have that one guest that comes like 25 minutes early.
Oh my gosh, that's the worst.
Why would you do that?
So a lot of our props and our photo props are thrifted and upcycled. We decided to grab some 80s nostalgic pieces like a boombox.
And then you could use one tape deck to record
a mixtape.
Yes.
Yes.
Those
are the days. Jinx. Well, here's our little photo booth prop station. Oh, he's on the phone. He'll be right back. You keep leaving me.
I'm sorry. I'll have to call you back.
We're all about upcycling and using items in an unconventional way, so we decided to throw it back to the 80s, to the roller skate, and just turn it into a floral arrangement. Super easy, we just put a glass in here with water and then our flowers. Okay, we only have 10 minutes left. We feel pretty good. We're just putting the final touches on everything.
Let's do like a sweep around.
Sweep
and just
around.
like make sure everything's set.
Redo the walls.
Yeah, I'll start taking everything down.
Yes.
I'm pleasantly surprised with this idea of decorating a tiny room, and I think their vision's really, really cool.
It's time for the big reveal. Let's see what Jen thinks of her tiny party.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
Here it is! Oh,
Oh my gosh!
This is your life.
We have our little punch here. We're kind of doing a throwback to sherbet punch, where you can put a scoop of your sherbet into the glass and then add the punch. And we also have decorating your own pie station.
Oh my gosh. Wow, this is awesome.
That popcorn was on the floor.
I love like all the VHS, all the cassette tapes, the pies.
Photo props here, and then with the instant camera, you can print out the picture, and then you can put your pictures right into the scrapbook here, and then you can have a keepsake from the party.
I know, how great is this? Because half the time you take pictures, you never print them out, you never see them again.
Never.
So, boop.
Here's how we spent our budget. We spent $50 for our wall.
$150 on our rugs and pillows.
For our dessert table, we spent about $160.
Props and spray paint, we spent about $50.
All the other decor we used, we spent about $70. And for our scrapbook station, we spent about $20. And that's our $500. I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
And we're the Crafty Lumberjacks. And this is Jen's like totally rad tiny birthday party.
You should vote for us because this is the party that you'd want to go to.
Totally 80s, bro. Oh, wait, reverse it.
Oh, it worked out. It worked out.
Visit evite.com/tinyparty to vote for your favorite party. One lucky voter will win a $500 gift card and a Fujifilm Instax camera bundle.